Ready once again, and the race is on. Go Billies from the outside. Summit Point alongside the Celestial Core Duo on the further outside school reception. Simple Beauty down on the inside. Presidential Federer ang sabi ko. Go Billies by a length and a half, followed by Summit Point. Cool Reception is racing in third by about 2 lengths by the Real Score Duo. Entry number 1, Federal Simple Beauty. Number 9, Celestial. Ang sabi ko, Go Billies by a length and a half. Summit Point rushing up School Reception. Federer on the further outside and Core Duo as they race the last 500. Summit Point and on the outside is Federer. It's now Summit Point, Federer from the outside. Go Billies, School Reception, and by the Real Score Duo. Simple Beauty also rushing up at Summit Point. Federer, Simple Beauty, Cool Reception, and by the Real Score Duo. It's now Federer and Summit Point fighting it out for the lead, but Federer still by ahead, and finally it's going to be a close. Summit Point, Federer, Simple Beauty, number 5 Core Duo took fourth.
Okay, we have a